Hello guys, welcome you all. Welcome to Unacademy, and this is your BVREDDY. So I'm here to discuss you some of the great announcements for the 2025 and 2026 aspirants. And so these are the candidates who achieved a great success with the Unacademy. You can see now in GATE 2024, Unacademy students have performed very greatly. 7 AIR ranks from Unacademy students only. You can have a look at now here for electrical, computer science, ECE, CH, IN, PI, and NM. For this, all these branches, the Unacademy students have achieved a great success. And you can start your serious preparation with an academy to achieve your dream jobs. इसके लिए हमने आपको मदद करने के लिए हम भी बहुत कोशिश किया. So here we are providing this an academy subscription for 2025 के लिए just to 9999. Yes. So this offer, which is valid only up to 30th June only, this month ending only is valid. Don't miss the opportunity. Try to utilize this opportunity as early as possible before going to expire. You can find the top educators team in the single frame. And so to enroll for this, you can use the code of BVREDDY. By using the code of BVREDDY, you will get the great discount. इसके साथ you will get the personalized guidance from me and the DPP and complete note, short note, सब कुछ आपको मिलेगा. Excuse me. And don't miss the opportunity. Try to enroll for this Unacademy subscription as early as possible before going to expire by using the code of BVREDDY. And let's meet in the plus course. And you can have a look at now here. You can start your serious preparation for 2025 के लिए plus 9999 and iconic is 15,999. So here, as you know, this code is what? Tell me. BVREDDY, and this code is applicable for all Unacademy subscriptions. And you can have a look at now here that so in this coming from 30th June onwards, I am starting the networks. I am going to start. I am going to plan this course to discuss each and every topic very detailed manner from very basic level to advanced level. And the networks, that is my favorite subject. I will try to make that is your favorite subject. मैं try करूँगा आपको favorite बनाने के लिए. And so here at the same time गुरुपाल सर ने शुरू होने वाला इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स, ठीक है, for EC के लिए एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल के लिए भी AI एंड इसके साथ इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन के भी AI. And so utilize this opportunity before it going to expire. And even for 2026 के लिए भी ये subject है. And these are the list of books for ECE. You can look at now here. Iconic students will get these books. It will be delivered to your home address within 15 days. And here are the list of books of electrical gate के लिए for iconic subscription students. Okay, utilize this opportunity before it going to expire. So use the great features of Unacademy, the best platform to learn from the top educators. चलो let's continue our discussion. So here last class हमने कुछ problems discuss किया, 80 problems तक हमने complete किया. So as we are going to discuss about the next problems. Take down. Which are the following is a truth table of the given circuit? Which are the following is a truth table of the given circuit? Now see, first of all we'll find the logical expression and thereafter we can say that truth table. Yeah, you can tell me now here what I'll get now here. This is xy bar and this is x plus y. So that means what I'll get the z now, tell me. Z is equal to xy bar plus what, tell me now here, x plus y. So that is given as what I can say now here, x bar plus y bar plus what, tell me now here, x plus y. So this x plus x bar is 1. So that means what will becomes now here 1. Y plus y bar is also 1 only now. So इसका क्या बनेगा 1. That means the output is हमेशा 1 नहीं. It is independent of input x and y. So कौन सा option है? You can see now output is 1 of all these cases now. So option A. Next one. The output of an XOR gate with A and B as inputs is XOR gate. Tell me now XOR gate. Logic expression for XOR gate is given as what? Tell me now here Y. That is A XOR B, which is equal to what I can say. Tell me now here A bar B plus A B bar. बट लेकिन ये फॉर्म में ऑप्शन में नहीं ना. सो हियर एसओपी फॉर्म. ये कौन सा फॉर्म है? दिस इज एसओपी फॉर्म. अभी हमें पीओएस फॉर्म में भी लिखेगा. पीओएस फॉर्म ऑफ एक्सआर इज व्हाट, टेल मी. दैट इज गिवन एज ए बार प्लस बी बार into what, tell me now here, A plus B. This is the POS form. Now, so this thing, which I can modify this thing as what, tell me now here, AB bar into A plus B. So this is the POS form. देखो इधर. Right. So कौन सा option, tell me now here? Option C. Next. The output of the circuit shown in the figure is. The output of the circuit shown in the figure is. Now, tell me now what I'll get here. Here this is A XOR B will come. And here A B bar. So this is what, tell me now here, A plus B bar whole bar. So this is output X will becomes what, tell me now here, A XOR B into what I can say now here, A plus B bar whole bar. Then X, which could be given as A XOR B into what, tell me now here, A bar into B. So then X, which is given as A bar B plus A B bar. And that is what we can say now, tell me now, A bar B. So that X, we multiply here A into, sorry, this is what, tell me now here, A bar B will come now here, A into A bar is 0. So finally what I'll get to, tell me now here, A bar B. Option B. Next. Consider the following statements. Consider the following statements. Now you can see now here. A NAND gate is equivalent to OR gate with the inputs are inverted. Yes. And NOR gate is equivalent to AND gate with the inputs are inverted. Yes. Correct only now here? Yes. NAND gate. So we have no, this is now the bubbled. Bubbled AND gate. Bubbled AND gate, which is identically equal to what we can say now here, NOR gate. That is identically equal to what will be NOR gate. Next one here, bubbled bubble to OR gate, and which is identical equal to what I can say, tell me now here, NAND gate. Okay, so tell me now here, so both option A and B are correct now here. First ones 1 and 2, okay, they should be given, this should be 1, this should be 2, 3, 4, not A, B, C, D. Okay, next, for the circuit shown in the figure, the output F will be, and what could be the output F, you tell me here. The input X is given, 3 XOR gates has been connected, this input is X, this also X only. Now you tell me now what is this X with XOR with X. If the both inputs are same, output of XOR gate will becomes what, tell me now, 0 banega. So this is 0 and this is X. Now you tell me now what is the 0 XOR with X. So when the one of the input is 0, the XOR gate will behave like a buffer. Will behave like what, tell me, buffer. So this is X only now. This output is X. This will be now, this is X only. So again what tell me now here, X XOR with X. तो क्या बनेगा, 0. So that means how much this output, you tell me, 0 आएगा. Next, and you can see this problem. The Boolean expression for the output Y. The expression we need to find. Now you can see this thing here. What I'll get. So this is A. Here it is A bar. So here this is what I'll be now, A plus A bar. A plus A bar, which is equal to 1. So this is A. Now you tell me the outputs now here, which is given as A, and this is what I'll be now, B, and this is C. We will come it as what I'll be now, A, B, C. Next, consider the following. Any combination circuit can be built using what? Any combination circuit can be built by using the universal gates. What are the universal gates are? NAND gate and NOR gate is also universal gate. In addition to this, multiplexer, by using multiplexer also we can able to implement all the logic functions. So what's the option, tell me? 1, 2, 4. Option D. The AND function can be realized by using only n number of NOR gates. Then what is n? AND function can be realized by using only n number of NOR gates. Then what is the value of n they ask him to find? Now you tell me now here, AND gate. We need to implement by using what, tell me? NOR gate. So here, so now as we know, bubble to NOR is nothing but AND gate. Bubble to NOR, which is identically equal to what we can say now here, AND gate. Here, tell me now here. From this, how many required you can see. Now I have taken one NOR gate. This is A and B. I have taken another NOR gate. I have taken, and this inputs has been connected like this. Now you can tell me now this is A bar and this is B bar. See what I'll get this output now. Tell me now here. A bar plus B bar ka whole bar. Yeah, De Morgan's law you tell me now, which is nothing but what? Tell me now AB. Yeah, you can tell me now here how many required. You tell me now here 3. How many required? You tell me now here 3 NOR gates are required. Next, in the given circuit, the output Y equals, which are the following? What will be the output Y they are asking? Now you can tell me now here, this is an AND gate, so we'll come it as AB bar. Here it is what? Tell me now here, A bar into B whole bar. A bar into B whole bar. Next this is A B bar whole bar. Now you can tell me now here Y. What I will get you tell me now some of this thing now. The output Y will come it as what? Tell me now here, AB bar plus A bar B whole bar plus A B bar ka whole bar. So then Y, which will come it as what? Tell me, A bar plus B bar plus what? Tell me now here, A plus B bar plus what? A bar plus B. Now you can see this thing here. Yeah, A plus A bar is 1. B plus B bar is 1. So 1 plus anything is 1 only now. 1 plus anything, which will come it as what will be 1 only. Next. Yes. Tell me now here, which one of the following is the correct output of the below circuit? Which will be the correct output? Now they given these are which gates are? Tell me now here, NOR gates. So you can tell me now here which gates. Here will come it as what? Tell me now, A plus B whole bar, and here this is a D bar, and this is C plus D bar whole bar. Now you can tell me now F. Now you can tell me now here, A plus B bar plus C plus D bar whole bar. So it should be given as what we can say now here, A plus B into what I can say now here, C plus D bar. That's all now. So कौन सा option tell me? Option A. Option है ना direct, he didn't simplify it. Yeah. Now look at now here. Here the circuit seems to both gambhir, but problem is easy only. So let us say we need to find the output is F. We need to find. Yeah. Try करो. Now here this will come it as what terminal X XOR Y. Next, and again this is Y, so it will come it as X XOR Y XOR with Y. Now again Y, so this means this is again XOR with Y, and here this is X XOR with Y, and this is X XOR with X XOR with Y, and X. So this will be X XOR with X XOR with Y XOR with Y. Check it all of you. ने सही किया ना? And this is X, this is what will be now Y na, this one Y. So it will becomes what will be now here Y XOR with X XOR with Y. Now this is X, so this is Y X1. Of course it will obey the associative property, even we can jumble them also. So finally what I can say now, F, it should be given as, okay, before that let us simplify this thing. So this is F1 and this is F2 I am calling. So tell me now, F1 is what? X XOR Y XOR with Y, again XOR with Y. Now you can tell me now here F1, it should be given as, what I can say now here, X XOR Y. Now you tell me now Y XOR with Y. So it is nothing but what, tell me now here, 0 now. If the same inputs are there, output of XOR gate is, it will behave like it is 0. Now tell me now F1, now the XOR gate will behave like a buffer. So this is X XOR Y. Now tell me now F2. So this is Y XOR with X XOR with what, tell me now here, Y XOR with X. So this is F2, it should be given as, so here both are same, so it will becomes as a, this is Y XOR with X, Y XOR with X. Both inputs are same now. So if I say this has a, this also a only now, this is of the form a XOR with a form. Now if the same inputs are there, output is 0. So that means F2 we got it as what will be now 0. Now finally what is this F you tell me? That is F1 XOR with F2. So this is F is equal to F1 is what I can say now here, X XOR with Y and XOR with 0. So what I will get to tell me? X XOR with Y. Option A. Next one. Now look at now. So match it now here. The first one is what will be now bubbled OR gate. So bubbled OR is equal to what will be now here, NAND gate. So either what's the option you tell me now here for this? Second one. And this NOR gate. And what's the NOR gate you tell me now here? NOR gate, which is equal to A plus B whole bar. So this is the fourth option. Next. And the bubbled NOR is nothing but what, tell me now here? AND gate. So this is what, tell me now first one. Bubbled NAND is a OR gate. So this is 3 now. So now check this option now, tell me 2, 4, 1, 3. 2, 4, 1, 3. Now you can see now. For the logic circuit shown, the required inputs A, B and C to make the outputs X is equal to 1 are. To make the output X is equal to 1, so this is which gate, you see this thing here? AND gate. When the output of AND gate is 1, if all the inputs are 1, then only output is 1. That means C equal to 1 na? C equal to 1, and this is which gate to tell me now here? XNOR gate na? And this is which gate to tell me now? This is XNOR gate. When the output of XNOR gate is 1, both inputs are same. Because this is 1, so A input must be also same only na, 1 hona padega. And what about this gate to tell me now here? This is also XNOR gate only. This is also XNOR gate. Now what is the, if this input is 1, this must be also 1 na? This must be also 1. So that means what I can say now here, A equal to 1, B equal to 1, and C equal to 1. This thing. So console option tell me now C. Yes. What happened this one? It is not loaded. Second. It is not loading. Fine, let's see this thing little later. Let us discuss about this thing. I think it is not loading this file. Let's see. Now the digital circuit using two inverters. So you can see now this is what type of state to tell me now. अगर मैंने 0 दिया तो this is 1, this is 0. Stable now output is so stable. अगर मैंने this is 1 दिया तो ये value 0 बनेगा, ये value 1 बनेगा. फिर भी stable ना, that means 0 के लिए भी stable है, 1 के लिए भी stable है. So इसीलिए क्या बोलूँ? This is called as bistable. What we'll call that is a bistable circuit. Okay. Next. Let the star be a Boolean operation defined as like this. A star B, which is equal to what, tell me? A star B given as XNOR gate, isn't it? So now they are asking C is equal to A star B, they are asking to find. And so you see this thing here, A star means is nothing but NOR operation, A XNOR B, which is equal to C. And XNOR gate has one special property. If A XNOR B is equal to C, then B XNOR C, which is equal to A. And so this is C XNOR A, which is equal to B. This is the special property of XNOR gate. And XOR also same property. Now A star A, that means XNOR operation both inputs are same, means output 1 banega na. Now C XNOR A, that is nothing but what terminal B hoga. Next. In this one, same thing, they are asking to solve the Boolean equation for the values of A, B and C. Now tell me now here, AB plus A bar C, which is equal to 1. And the other equation they given AC plus B, which is equal to 0 given. Now you see this thing here, this equation has to be a 0. Here the condition is B must be 1 hona padega. Sorry, B must be 0 hona padega. And in A and C mein 1 must be 0, 1 must be 1. So what must be 0, what must be 1, we'll see it. Okay. A 0, C 1, what happens? Agar A value 0, B value 0, C value 1. So on this thing, check this equation now. Above equation satisfy or not? AB. means 0. A bar C. So this means what? Tell me now here 1. Banega ki nahi, satisfied or not? So means what are the values of A, B, C? Tell me. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1. The values of A, B, C and D satisfy the following simultaneous Boolean equations. Now to satisfy this thing, we need to find the A, B, C values. Now you can tell me now first equation, A bar plus AB, which is equal to what? Tell me now 0. Now tell me now here in this case, if we apply mingle property, I can write this thing as A bar plus B, which is equal to 0. Now tell me. So to satisfy this thing, I can say B must be 0. B must be 0 and A must be 1. Yes or no? To satisfy this thing here, from this I can say that A is 1 and B must be 0 to satisfy this thing. Next one. And what is the second equation given now here? AB, which is equal to what? Tell me now. AC. So from this I can say B must be equal to C now. So that means B equal to C. B value 0. That means C must be also 0 now. Now can you eliminate the options now here? A1, B0, C0. Check it now here. A1, B0, yes. केवल option is satisfied. No other option satisfy now. Directly we can eliminate. So C must be a, D must be a 1. You can verify this thing here. Whether D is 1 will satisfy or not. Satisfy, I think. Right? Next. Take this problem. Consider the logic circuit shown in the figure. The function f1, f2 and f. Okay, we need to find the f3 value we need to find. And so you can see now here, they given this AND gate. When I given them in the min terms as f1, f2 here, so output of this AND gate will come it as what? Tell me. Output of this AND gate will come it as what? Tell me. Common minterms will come. What will come? Common minterms. In the F1 will contains what are the minterms? You tell me. This is 8, 9, 10. And F2 is what I can say? Tell me. 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15. इस दोनों में common minterms you see this thing here. 8 common. और क्या common? केवल 8 only. So this means output will come it as what I can say here. So this will be output will come it as what? Tell me now. केवल 8 will come. And either what we have? Tell me now. F3 high. So I need to get F value. What should be now? Minterms are, you tell me now here. 8, 9 we required. 8, 9 we required. So you can see now F3 will becomes what? Tell me. F3. So here this is OR gate. What is minterms of OR gate will come? You tell me now here. Sum of all. So here all union. OR gate means like a union. Either 8 is coming. Here we should have 9 is required. That means F3 must contain 9 na. F3 must contain 9 must be there. Even अगर 8 हुआ तो भी चलेगा. Even 8 also no problem. Already 8 is there na. But definitely must be contains 9 must be there. 10 चलेगा? No, नहीं चलेगा. Option B. Okay. Next. What happens when a bit string XORed with itself? n number of times. And the XOR gate is when it is XORed itself n times. What happens? Now let us say if I take an n value even, n value हमने 2 ले लिया. अगर n value even है तो see what I'll get to tell me now here. B XOR B, it will come it as 0 will come now. It is not complement, so option E is wrong. If n is odd, so this means n value हमने 3 ले लिया. Check it now here. B XOR B XOR B. So here 0 XOR B now tell me. So what will come here? B will come. So this means this is wrong now here. Remains unchanged when n is odd. Yes, correct now here. 99. Next. Yes, 100. Century. हमारा century. Yes. लास्ट मैच में रोहित शर्मा ने सेंचुरी मिस हो गया, बट लेकिन हम सेंचुरी मिस नहीं करेगा, हमारा सेंचुरी भी बनेगा. सो लास्ट टाइम सो हियर रोहित शर्मा ने सेंचुरी मिस हो गया उनका 92 में, बट लेकिन हमारा मिस नहीं होगा. Check it now here. X plus y plus z is equal to 1. X into y is equal to 0. So here, in these cases, verification is a suitable method. Check this thing first case. First option if we consider, tell me now here, x plus y plus z equal to 1. Yes, satisfy. Fine. So now x into y is equal to 0. Yes, satisfy. xz plus w is 1. No, not satisfy. Next, come into next one. X plus y plus 1. Yes, xy not satisfy. Now here B option. Xy equal to 0. X plus y plus z. Yes. Yeah, satisfy this thing here. X into z 1 plus w is 0. Yes, chalega. xy is 0. Yes, z bar 0. Yes, 0 chalega. So option C satisfy all the things. Check it. वेरिफिकेशन किया मैंने, कुछ भी नहीं किया. वेरिफिकेशन ऑप्शन से वेरीफाई करो. Next, define the connectivity star of the Boolean variables x and y. X star y is given us like this. This is, I think, the similar kind we have seen, I think so. Right. So here this is nothing but what we can say here. X star operation I can say now. This is xy plus x bar y bar. So this is nothing but XNOR gate only. XNOR gate का property अभी हमने discuss किया. So if they given z is equal to what, tell me now here, x XNOR y aito, then so here x XNOR z which is equal to y. Next, y XNOR z which is equal to x. X XNOR y XNOR z. Y XNOR z. So this is nothing but x XNOR y x naught z, which is nothing but x only na, x naught x, which is equal to what? Tell me 1. Same inputs case 1 na. So all are correct only. All p q r are valid. I think previously one problem we missed na something is not loaded. अभी भी नहीं loaded. 94. Fine, we'll see that one. Now take this thing here. The slash is a binary operator defined as like this. The given x slash y. And what is this thing here? This is nothing but what? Tell me. Which gate you tell me now here? NAND gate. Yes or no here? So this is nothing but xy whole bar now. That is a NAND gate. Now you tell me now NAND gate can satisfy commutative property. Commutative property satisfy. Next, but it does not satisfy associative property. But it does not satisfy associative property. Right. So from this we can conclude it now here. Yeah, what we can conclude, you tell me. S1 is wrong. S1, this is associative property now. So this is wrong. But S2 is true now here. Only S2 is correct. Then next. Now termination. X1, X2, X3, all these XR, X4 given as 0. For this, which are the following must always true? They given this condition is given, which can be true always. हमेशा true होना पड़ेगा. Not for one cases. Here you tell me now here when the X1 XR, X2 XR, X3 XR, X4 which will be 0. ये 0 होने के लिए we need to have a, when the output of XR gate will be 1, you tell me for odd number of ones. Odd number of ones, but if it can even number of ones, 0 banega. What is the possible case now here? If the possible case is now here, if I consider X1 equal to X2 is equal to X3 equal to X4 which is equal to 0. This is one possible combination. This is one possible combination, right? When in this case, you tell me now here, so all satisfy. But what are the other possible combination now tell me? Even number of ones, that is X1, X2 both are 1 and okay, so let us from the tabular situation. If I consider X1, X2, X3, X4 in these cases, the possible scenario is what we can say this is 1 1 0 0, 1 0 1 0, 1 0 0 1, 0 1 0 1, like this the combinations will come now. So now you can see this is the second combinations. Even will come it as 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is 1, 0. So this is 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. This combination also possible now. And what is the other possible combination of here? All are ones. X1, X2, X3, X4. All are ones. Even number now. In this case also output is 0 only. Yeah, you tell me now here in this case. क्या होगा? Now tell me now here. So this is fails now. In this case it fails. Now x1 into x3. If you see here, this is 0. You see this thing x1 into x3. In these cases, this will be 1. This fails. Now sum. This also fails now. Tell me. So this will be satisfied. Check it out. All the case. This is both are what it will becomes now LHS RHS. X NOR banega na. X NOR. Yes. Yes, satisfied. Option C. Check करो. Done. Next. Let XR, XNOR denote the exclusive or exclusive NOR operation. Which are the following is not correct? Which is not correct? You tell me here. Let us verify now here. Obviously, P XR whole bar. This is nothing but XNOR only. Now tell me first thing. So this is we need not correct required. So this is correct only. Second one here. P bar XR with Q. So अगर एक बार कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया तो XR will becomes what I will know XNOR बनेगा. Next C, that is P bar XR with Q bar. This is what I will know P XR Q होगा ना, but लेकिन देने XNOR दिया. So this is wrong ना. Tell me. This is wrong, isn't it? And you can verify. Obviously C will satisfy होगा. You can see now LHS if we consider LHS and this is RHS. LHS, RHS separately will analyze. What is this thing here? That is P XR P bar and this is XR with Q. So क्या आएगा here? P XR P bar. So that is nothing but what tell me now here? XR get 1. That is 1 XR Q. What is the 1 XR Q you tell me? So XR gate. So it will become Q bar na buffer. Sorry, inverter. Next. RHS you tell me. P X0 P bar X0 with Q. Tell me now here. In this case, this is 0, 0 X0 with Q. So that is nothing but Q bar. So LHS equal to RHS now, that is correct only. So which is wrong, you tell me. Cable option C is wrong. Identify the logic function performed by the circuit shown. Yes, tell me now what is the logic function here. Now here will come it as x plus y whole bar. And this is x plus y bar whole bar. Then it will becomes what terminal here? This is x bar into x plus y and this is y plus x plus y bar whole bar. So it will becomes what element of here? Y into x plus y. Sorry, y bar into x plus y. So ये क्या बनेगा? X bar into y. ये क्या बनेगा here? X into y bar. So now you can tell me now what could be the output F, you tell me now here. That is x bar y plus what, tell me now here, x y bar ka whole bar. So that is nothing but x xr y whole bar. That is nothing but what, tell me, x xr y na. So this is nothing but exclusive NOR gate. Next one, the logic expression for the output of the circuit shown below is. Now you can tell me now here. So this expression which is given as what element of AB bar, and this is what element of here, AB bar into C ka whole bar, and here this is CD bar. If I call this is F, so tell me now F which is given as what, tell me, AB bar into C whole bar into what I can say now, CD bar whole bar. So then F is equal to what will come here, AB bar into C plus what element of CD. And so this thing further, if we can simplify this thing, A bar plus B bar into C plus what element of CD. So then we'll come it as what element of A bar C plus B bar C plus CD. So check this option now here. कौन सा option? Which option satisfy? Option A. Now next column. Which of the following operation is commutative but not associative? So here NAND gate is a commutative but not associative. And which of the following expression is not equivalent to X bar? Tell me now here. So this is X into X whole bar. Will come it as what, an X bar only na? Option B. NOT gate X plus X whole bar is nothing but X bar only. Option C, X into 1 whole bar, which is also X bar only na? And option D, X plus 1 whole bar. So this is nothing but 1 whole bar, which is 0. This is not now. Next. Now you can see this thing here. Here, this logic expression, we need to find the F3 we should find. Now, so you can see now this is what I can say here. F1 into F2 whole bar. And this is what I'll know F3 bar. If I call this is F. What it is F you tell me now here? F1 into F2 whole bar into F3 whole bar whole bar. Finally, F will come it as what tell me now F1 into F2 plus what tell me now here F3. So इससे F3 मिलेगा ना इधर. So this means what we can say here F1 F2 minus F. F1 into F2 में common terms क्या है tell me इधर. I will keep this thing here only. So from this we can identify here. F1 में what we require now here 1, 4, 5 required. That means F1 F2 में common terms क्या है tell me कुछ भी नहीं है common. So this is empty set plus what tell me F3 होगा. So F3 must be equal to what we can say here. So the min terms of 1, 4, 5. And completed. Right. Now you can see this thing here. So we will come it as X, Y bar, whole bar. This is YZ. Now what is this F you tell me now here? X, Y bar, whole bar into YZ, whole bar. So that is, which is nothing but X, Y bar plus what tell me now? YZ. Right, so you can see now here, what I will get here? क्या हुआ? सही ना? X, Y bar, whole bar. Okay, this is bar, no, sorry. This is bar. So this is F is equal to what tell me now here? X, Y bar plus Z bar. So this is what tell me now Y bar common 1 plus X plus Z bar. So from this what I'll get this F you tell me? This is Y bar plus Z bar. This is nothing but what tell me now YZ whole bar now, that is a NAND gate. You can see which is independent of X now, which is independent of X. Right. Fine. That's for the today's session. We'll meet in the next class. Next class we'll finish the remaining problems. Okay then. See you. Bye bye. All of you do enroll for Unacademy subscription by using the code of BVREDDY, and you will have a great learning experience from the top educators. From the 30th June is the last day to avail this Unacademy flat 50% of discount. 30th June onwards I am starting, and networks I am starting, and so all of you do join as soon as possible. Chalo, we'll meet in the next course. See you. Bye bye.